welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I'm trying to get ready for this giveaway. I just hit 1K, so super thankful, super grateful. Thankful for everybody that's been supporting me. It's been a long way. We did it in less than a month. I haven't seen nobody else do it like this without y'all. Without y'all, I wouldn't have it. And today, it's a lot of stuff that we got going on. Ride outs, we got TAF, they finna have a barbecue soon. We got the ride out on, what's that? May 30th. First Pull is having a ride out May 30th. We're running from LA to Venice Beach. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me at InTheLifeWithDaeDae for all the updates. I'm posting all the flyers and everything on there mainly. I will try dropping the flyers on at the end of the video, so make sure y'all watch until the end of the video so y'all can see the flyers. The tournament is in June. GG's tournament is in June. They haven't released the exact date, but it is in June. It's a small block shootout basically. Like have cars, have cash days, we have tournaments. We, the boys, and back end we're collabing on the ride out together soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm just super grateful, so let's get to it. Another medium street bike. This is street build. What type of frame is this? I have no clue, huh? It look like one of the Azusa's, huh? Somewhat.
I bought it from the homie at work. Told me he had a mini bike for $200. I said, if you drop it off at my house, I'll buy it.
Right.
This is the Azusa frame.
I was looking about a neck.
With the newer handlebars. Is that what it is? Yes, because the handlebars are pushed forward. They're bent forward. The older Azusa's just went straight up.
This is a 4-stage pipe from Tim. If y'all want me to do a review on these, I've been looking to do a review on the 4-stage pipes because I have a 3-stage F&B, so I'm really dying to do a review. 3-disc buddy clutch, aluminum gas tank.
VP raised fuels only the best.
Right. What's up, Daryl? How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good.
Right.
Hi, everyone.
Yes, sir. Y'all know where we at. Found a penny. Hold up. Found me a penny. Got me a penny. Hey, 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 hey. Check it out. We at Tim's Secret. So this Sunday you would. So whoever see this video and watch this video, he don't want to line it up though. Y'all don't know him. That's my brother Will. So we just came up here to get some few parts before he closed. So you know. Hit 1K. I'm happy. It's a celebration, so we out here. These are the rules to enter the Big Valve Pay giveaway. You must follow me on Instagram at InTheLifeWithDaeDae. You must follow Daryl at _BDMS___. You must subscribe to my YouTube channel, InTheLifeWithDaeDae. And you must go comment and tag 3 friends on my most recent post. That's how you enter the giveaway. The giveaway will be going on for 3 weeks until I'm trying to help everybody get all their tickets. You only get 1 ticket. If you want to get more tickets, you gotta buy the stickers. They're $5 each, and they should be here before Sunday. So when this video goes, the giveaway begins.